Introduction to JavaScript Typeof operator. Typeof operator in JavaScript is used to determine the type of a certain value or variable. It is an essential tool in a JavaScript developer's toolbox. Understanding the typeof operator returns a string indicating the type of the unevaluated operand. Operand can be either a literal or a data structure, such as an object. Example, let message equals hello world type of message. Outputs, string, different return values of typeof. The typeof operator can return number, string, Boolean, object, function, undefined, or symbol. Examples, type of 42 outputs number, type of JavaScript outputs string, type of true outputs Boolean, etc. Common pitfalls and tips. Typeof with null or an array returns object, which can be misleading. Use array_is_array method to check if a value is an array. Typeof doesn't distinguish between different kinds of objects other than arrays. For instance, a date or a regular expression when evaluated with typeof will also return object. To handle this, use the instance of operator or the constructor property. Conclusion: typeof operator is a powerful tool in JavaScript for determining the type of a value or variable. It has some quirks that can lead to misconceptions or errors if not understood correctly. Typeof is not always reliable for identifying specific object types, and you may need to use other techniques such as array.isArray or the instance of operator.